What's up guys, welcome back. So today we have Habits by Payton, and this one is actually pretty easy to play. We don't have any capo for this song, and you can see it's standard tuning, obviously has to be. And if you just have a look at the structure, I just want to quickly finish off this lesson because there's nothing much to learn in the song. So we start off with the intro, then you have the verse, then you have the pre-chorus, then you have the chorus. Then you got another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus, but this chorus is a bit long. And then you have the outro, which is actually the intro. Intro equal to the outro. So let's have a look at the chord shapes. Open chords, some are bar chords, but I'm just going to show you an easy alternative way to play that. Now the first chord is a D, which is mute 0232. Then the next chord is the E major, which is 022100. And the next one is the A major, which is mute 0220. And the next one is a F sharp minor, and I'm playing 244222. So I'm getting my index finger bar, and these two fingers I'm putting it on the 4th frets of the A and the D string. Obviously, if you just want to play in an easy way, you have your index finger, just get that bar on the G, B, E string 2nd fret, and it will be enough. And we have a C sharp minor, which is mute 46654. Again, if you just want to play it easy, you can just play like this, which is 6 on the G, 5 on the B, and 4 on the E. That's it. Now let's get started with this intro riff we have. It actually goes for many parts of the song. Normally it's actually played in single string, but there are two guitars going together, and that's the reason it sounds a bit different. Therefore, to compare that, I played in a different style, so it actually sounds a lot like that, and it sounds spicy, man. So let's get started. We have palm muting, having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar. This is basically the bridge. If you rest it over here, you get a very soft sound, which is palm muting in D. So we play 7th fret on the D string, 6th fret on the G string. We do 3 down, so we play the 3 times. We only play the D and G string, so we got 1, 2, 3, and then you just gonna take your index finger and put it on 2nd fret of the G string, and your D string is open at the moment, and you again play 4 downs, so 4 times you play D and the G string, and then you have your pinky on the 4th fret of the G string and your index on the 2nd fret of your D string, and you play 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And then you got your index finger, so just lift off your pinky. Index finger will be barred on the D and the G string, 2nd fret, and you're just gonna play them together 4 times. So you got palm muting added. So that's it for this riff. There's nothing much to learn over here. But if you don't want to play this one, there's an option. You can just play the easy one, which is 6th fret on the G string. We play 3 times, palm muting added. Then I play 7th fret on the D string 4 times. Then I play 3 times on the 9th fret of the D string, and then I play 6th fret on the D string 4 times. Sorry, then I play 7th fret on the D string. I'm very sorry. So you got. Before starting with the rhythm, the chord progression throughout the whole song actually remains the same. It will be a D, then an A, then an F sharp minor. I'm sorry, it will be a A, then a D, then an F sharp minor to a E. And the next time when you play, or the second time when you play, or maybe the fourth time, maybe the sixth time, maybe the eighth time, so in the even times it will be a C sharp minor. So you replace the E major chord with just a C sharp minor, but this is a complete big option. So we go A, D, F sharp minor, E, and next time we have A, D, F sharp minor, C sharp minor. So let's get started. For the verse, I like to do one down on each chord for the verse part 1, but after that we have the verse part 2. For that I got a different technique. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, change. So we have a C sharp minor right now in place of the E, C sharp minor. When you move on to the pre-chorus, but before that I just want to show you this rhythm. So for this one, we are doing 4 downs on each chord. So we are 1, 2, 3, random 4 down stroke on each chord. Simple down, nothing much complicated, nothing about rhythm and all. Just simple 4 down on each chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the pre-chorus, and for the pre-chorus you can just do 1 down on each chord like the first part 1. So we have, and this time you can strum till the B string. Don't hit the high E string for the pre-chorus. You can just strum till the B string. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and you change the chord progression. You replace the A with the E with the C sharp minor. So if you play the chords, you can see the melody are on top of that. So the melody is there present in the chord shape. Now we know everything. We are left with the chorus. So for the chorus, you can just play this. So I'm doing down, down, up, up, down. A very nice and simplified rhythm. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down. Now you're just gonna do that, down, down, up, down on the chords in that order: G, A, then a D, then F sharp minor, then an E, then an A, then a D, then F sharp minor, and a C sharp minor. But in this case, what I do is I play the E major chord like this over here. So it's E. So I just bring the D shape high 2 frets. So it's a 4, 5, 4 this time, and it's actually the E major chord. So basic music theory, if you use this, you will get great sounds, great chords, everything will be crystal clear. So down, down, up, up, down. Okay, so let's play. That's almost everything you need for this lesson. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers in this month. Quarantine, so I'm actually utilizing this time to the maximum level I can. So I don't know if the vaccine comes out after 2 months. It may be like maybe after 3 months. So I'll be glad, and then I will be actually able to go outside and enjoy every stuff and all. So that's another story, but never mind. Make sure to subscribe. It helps you out. Drop me down a comment, maybe about asking about a song to play or anything, whatever you want. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.